Today I'm going to discuss the importance of learning to plan properly, planning your trading so you know exactly what you're doing. Whether you're flying a helicopter like behind me here, or if you're trading the Forex market, you have to plan properly, otherwise you plan to fail. Let's get into that and more right now. Hey there traders, Andrew here at the Forex Trading Coach for video and podcast number 539. As you can see, I'm out at the hangar. I'm heading off tomorrow morning quite early on a flight, quite a long flight, probably about a 3.5 hour return flight. And so as a result of that, I'm spending some time here today when there's no pressure, and I'm going through my entire pre-flight and doing all my checks. I've got my my flight plans here. I've got my airport where I'm going to. Inside here, I've covered everything I need to know in terms of the cockpit. I've got a huge manual here. It's about 800 pages that's just specific to this machine. And on that, I have to know all that, of course, long before today. But, you've got to keep updated on that. I've been through the machine here. I've checked through, engines and oils and up on the rotor blades there. I've checked everything. All my pre-flight checks down the tail here. Everything's checked. My fuel's good, it's clean, it's all on board. I know exactly what I've got. I know where I'm going. I know my radio calls. I'm just charging my headsets up, so that's ready. I've got spare batteries. I've got my iPad. I've got my phone. I've got everything I need to know to do the flight properly, safely, and to get a good outcome, an enjoyable experience for everybody on board, and to know what's going to, we're going to get there safely and just have a great day. So me doing this is no different to me trading. I've got my plan, and this is what I want to stress to you, that I just see so many people that don't have a plan, don't know what they're doing. You wouldn't believe the number of emails that I get saying, look, I've been trading for 6 months, and I go back to them and go, great, well, you've obviously got a problem because you're contacting me. So what are you doing? And they go, oh, I'm just putting on, one lot on this trade, and I'm trading, different times of the day they're trading. They don't know what they're trading. They see something on let's say a daily chart that's telling them buy. On an hourly chart, they're seeing sell. They don't know what to do. There's no there's no money management. There's no risk management. There's no strategy at all. They don't know why they're doing what they're doing. They just know they want to trade Forex because they've probably seen it's really good and seen something on YouTube or somewhere. And that becomes the problem, is that people don't put enough preparation time into learning the skill that they want to be good at. And it's like anything. It's like flying this thing. There is nothing that beats flying a helicopter. It's the most amazing machine that's ever been invented, what you can do. But there's a good year at least of hard work. There's exams, there's reading, there's all the training you go through, the expense of it all, the frustration that comes with it, the ups and downs that come with it. Is it easy? Absolutely not. Otherwise, everybody would be doing it. And trading's no different. You have to expect to put some time, some dedication, some expense, some ups and downs, through your learning process and when you're trading as well. Now, that the market's not a straight line. That, let's face it, 2024 so far for the Forex market, it's been fairly quiet. There's not been a lot of really great activity. It's just the way it is, that's part of trading. You take the ups and the downs, but you control your risk. You know what you're doing. You have high reward to risk trades, but you have your plan. You know what you're looking at, what patterns you're looking at. If you're trading news, you know what you're looking for. Whatever strategy you have, you know exactly what to look for, when to look, what pairs to look at, what time frame charts to look at, when you're exiting a trade, or even when you're entering a trade, how you're entering it, how you're getting out of the trade. All those type of things. You have all that planned, pre-planned in advance. So I really encourage you to do that. If you need any help at all with any trade planning, please feel free to reach out, send me an email, andrew@theforextradingcoach.com. If you're out there looking for a really good broker, I can highly recommend Blueberry Markets over in Australia. Great bunch of people, great trading platforms. Their MT5 platform has so many markets on it. I've been with them for years. I know them. I've been to meet them in person. Just can highly recommend Blueberry Markets if you're out there looking for a broker. I'll put a link to them below this video and podcast as well. If you've not been on my masterclass yet, I encourage you to do that. I'll put a link to that. If you've not seen the podcast and the video webinar, that I did with the 5%ers prop firm company a few weeks ago, I'll put a link to that as well. It was about an hour webinar that I presented how to pass prop firm challenges. So if you want to call with us, I'll put a link to that as well, so you can book a call and discuss your trading with us. Hope that helps. Any questions you have, please, as I said, leave a comment, email me. We're here to help. This is Andrew at the Forex Trading Coach. I carry on with my pre-flight. You carry on with your trading planning and make sure it works. Bye for now.